All right, boys, welcome back to the garage. I just want to do a quick follow-up video. Daily Driven Muscle had commented about an incomplete health check due to the fact I didn't check for fulcrum wear. Well, first of all, before we get into that, what's the luck? First of all, I lost a ball. And now my snap ring pliers have fetched up on me. And I don't have any jaw or ball action right now. I'm out of luck. I did manage to get about 6 of these snap rings off before I had problems. As luck would have it, I am getting ready to go out of town this weekend, and I got a million things to prepare and do for that. So I don't have time to go grab some more snap ring pliers and finish this teardown. But I figured I would take a look at these. It was a good suggestion, so I do appreciate that. So when I look at these, this guy here, this one, if you can tell, there is no wear pattern there, discernible wear pattern on the bottom of that trunnion. So I figured this is a good control, and I can look at this. So the only weird thing, though, is you can see there is kind of a dark spot. And I'm not sure if that's from getting hot or if that's the brass wearing down on there, or maybe just some burned up oil carbon spot from heat. I don't really know. But otherwise, when we look at this metal, there's no real wear on there. I mean, I think that's just some schmutz on there. Come on, focus. But I wouldn't expect in the presence of this bronze or brass, whatever it is, that the steel would wear. But in here you can see that there is some wear on the outside. A normal amount, I would say. I don't see anything to be concerned about. I mean, it's a running engine, abused running engine. Looks like there's some little bit of goo in there, but maybe I can clean that out. But overall, this stuff doesn't look terrible to me. And it rotates perfectly fine and freely. So if we grab this one's still assembled. I mean, it spins free. It feels totally smooth and unrestricted. And as far as fulcrum wear, well, I don't know that I really have a way to accurately test that. The only thing that concerns me is this side-to-side play here. I don't remember how much play there was when I first built these. So it seems like more, but I don't know. But if I try to twist it and I'm trying to rock it this way to see if there's wear, I can't really detect any movement. Like, it still feels perfect. It feels exactly how it should be. Now, if we look at this one, this is an example of one that you can see the wear on the bottom of that, where potentially it's been moving. Although maybe there was some trapped particles between the bottom of the trunnion and the aluminum perch, and that's what's wearing this off. I don't know. When we look at this guy, we can see that's kind of the largest weird spot I've seen on here. And when we plug this guy in to take a look, what I don't know is, was it situated this way? Or was it situated this way? Like, where is that? It looks like some kind of side loading on here. I don't know what side it was when I took it apart, because I wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you. But either way, there's a little bit of play in here, but not much. Not enough that I don't think that would account for all of that on the bottom. So, I still say this is pretty good, meets expectations. I'm happy with it, and I'm going to throw it back in the car and see what it does. I have no reason to be concerned. So interestingly enough, I decided to try some brake cleaner to see if I can get that black spot off. And I was not able to get it off, but I noticed when I did that, you can see around that black area is definitely more highly polished. If this thing would focus, you can see it's kind of rough there, and then it gets really shiny and polished. So I did measure them to see if I could find out with some halfway decent mechanical calipers, and sure enough, there is some wear when I measure across the shiny spot and the two dull spots. It's less than half of a thousandth of an inch. So 0.00005, 5/10 or less. So I'll post the pictures of that. So I guess there is some measurable wear, but not anything enough to feel by hand. If you see something I don't see, please let me know. If you have your own CHE trunnions and you want to take apart, I would love to hear your results and how many miles in your setup. Again, these are on the BTR 660 springs. I'm about to switch over to a little bit heavier pack springs. But either way, let me know your thoughts. I always love getting your guys' feedback, positive, negative, or otherwise. Anyway, take care. Check you later.